Hello, this is Jeff from FunOutfitters.com. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the belt on your 2010 M8 Snow Pro. To remove your belt on your M8 Snow Pro, you have to open up your side panel. So you'll move your key, pop your side panel open, like so. You'll have to remove your clutch cover. Popping it out like so. And you want to remove your bolt that secures the driven pulley to the gear case. So you want to lock your brake so that your clutch doesn't turn, and remove your bolt. Once your bolt is removed, pop your adjuster out, your flat washer and lock washer. What you'll do is you'll turn your adjuster, sheave adjuster, this way, backwards, so that the big side is towards your driven pulley. Reinstall your bolt. What you do now is when you start to tighten this up, this will push open on your cam, as you can see, and it will move your sheaves open on your driven pulley. Once you have that snug, you can then remove your belt off your driven pulley and then slide it off your drive clutch. Remove your belt. When you put a belt back on, you're going to make sure that you can read the word Arctic Cat from left to right. The arrows are pointed forward. The clutch turns in a counterclockwise motion, so you want your arrows pointing towards the front of your snowmobile. Slide your belt back into place. Slide back in with your adjusters wide open, or with your sheaves open. Slide your belt right back into place, like so. So you want to remove your bolt. Turn your adjuster back, your sheave adjuster back the way it was, making sure all your washers are in the correct place. Install your bolt back into your clutch, tighten securely, and then kind of seat your belt back into position on your clutch. There. Reinstall your clutch shield. Move your pod back into position, making sure all your tabs are seated correctly. And secure the hairpin clip. There you go. Thanks for watching. This is Jeff with FunOutfitters.com. You can give us a call, 866-531-0123, or look us up on the web at www.funoutfitters.com. Thank you.